Welcome to the project demonstration of brain control IoT EEG device controlling system. So the main application of this project is we are going to mount this band on the head, and from the brain waves the system will get the signals to trigger this bulb, and that will be done with the help of this electromagnetic relay as well as Raspberry Pi 3 B+. So the main input from this band is to this amplifier, that's the EEG signal amplifier, and from there the EEG signals will be given as input to the nano board, so which is used to get the high speed analog data, and the system will read the data and arrange them in serial outputs. So that will be input to the Pi 3 B+ through serial communication. So using this serial communication we are going to sending the data continuously at a duration of 1 millisecond, and the data will be captured by the Pi 3 B+ and stored that in CSV file, that is comma separated values, that will be stored in Excel sheet of this Raspberry Pi 3 B+. So the system, once the data captured for 5 seconds of duration, then that Excel sheet will be given as input for the processing unit. Means in our Raspberry Pi 3 B+, we are writing these conditions in Python language. So the Python language, Python code will read this CSV file and process this to control this relay directly, because the relay is getting controlled through this Arduino only, because from this Pi 3 B+, the commands will be sent to the Arduino again to control this relay, and the status of the electrode mounted on the head will be displayed on the LCD continuously. And here the Arduino is used to get the data from this sensor band, as well as sending that to the Raspberry Pi 3 B+ through the serial communication, and to the serial communication only the system will get the trigger pulse input from this Pi 3 B+ to control this electromagnetic relay. So here the major components is like EEG band and to the EEG signal sensor amplifier, and this a breadboard to distribution of 5 volts power supply throughout the input output modules, and the electromagnetic relay to control the bulb, as well as a nano board and 16:2 LCD screen and Raspberry Pi 3 B+. So here we insert the memory card. So the process to programming the Raspberry Pi 3 B+ is initially we need to install operating system inside that, as the Raspbian version we are using, and after installation of that we install the respected packages for related to the project, and then we keep the Python code in bootable, so automatically it will boot in. So on the power supply to this one, as well as to the load power supply source, and wait till the welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. So it will take around 20 to 30 seconds duration. Once successfully booting to the operating system, the system will display the welcome message on the LCD screen. Then okay, then we can mount this band on the head as we shown here. Because the previous data Excel sheet was executed now. So let us mount this on the head. So here, so we need to mount this electrodes over here like this, and yellow will be coming near the right ear. Okay, so based on our brain waves, so here this plus minus directly power supply, okay, so we are going to controlling the signal input from the brain waves directly. And whenever we keep on thoughts about to control this relay to off, then the data will be analyzed and relay will be controlled to control the bulb. So if it is the status will be displayed on the LCD. Thank you.